Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all fine and welcome again in this new video. It will be in fact second part of Bios extraction from executable file, and the requester is this guy in ERS Discord server. He needs HP ProBook for 50G8 BIOS system extracted from executable file, and he supplied us with the direct link to that executable file. This one, let's open it here, and we already have extracted the binary files, in fact, because this executable file contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versions of BIOS regions, and we should use the one depending on what we have on our board. So you can see here we have T70, T85, T87, T88, T89, and T99, and we have already extracted these files from this executable file here, which we can download, and in this video we'll see, sorry, in this video we'll see how to extract the BIOS region from those binary files, because those binary files, in fact, let me show you, they are here in this folder. So, and these are the files which we have extracted in the previous video, which you can check to see how we did that, and I will put to direct link to first part in the description of the video. So as I said, these files can't be in fact they contain only the BIOS region and maybe the ME region. As they are bigger inside, I think they may have both BIOS region and ME region, but what is important for us is to extract the BIOS region from these files. So the requester, as we need original dump for comparison, because we have to use it to extract the BIOS region from those extracted files, we need fact the original dump, and he uploaded here, as you can see here, this one, and from the name I see here T70, which is already obvious from the name that it's this one. So we will need the T70, this one. We'll need to work with this one here. So let's download the dump first, and let's put it on here. So we in fact are in the same working folder, this one, and here I have downloaded one right now here. And this file, you can check it in the previous video. It's a big file which contains all these versions. So you can check how we extract that file in the previous video. So no need to do that again here. Let's move on to what we have to do in this video. So let's check the number T70 in this dump. So Control F, Control V, I have already copied that number. Okay, select all there. we got it. So we have the number, so we will use this file, this one, T77, from which we will extract the Bios region paste. So the dump is a 32 megabyte file, and 32 megabyte files usually have a Bios region of 1 million hex length. So you will know that by experience, and the Bios region usually starts at the same number, 1 million offset, 1 million. So as the hex has, it's 1 million offset. Let's go to it. No, not this one. In the original, go to 1 million. Okay, so here, and as you can see from the beginning of the Bios region, no data to copy, because we need to copy some data and search for it in here. So we have to search again. So here is the beginning of the Bios region. We have to Control F and search for nearby data. Let's, for example, just try 00 there. Sorry, I have to use hex value here. And not in all the, so not in all, I have to select forward. So okay, we are in the beginning of the Bios region. Let's Control F. Let's keep same 00s forward. We have to check this, and here we got some data. Let's try if we can find this in here. This one, F, Control V. Here I have to check again all. Oh, we have it, but not similar to here. So this won't help. Let's try this. 2 or 3 lines. Control F again. Okay. Let's try, for example, this. See? So we need to find similarities to locate the Bios region on the downloaded file. On the file that we have extracted from the executable file, which we have downloaded from PC port, to the one that I showed you in here, this one. Back to our work. So not yet. So we need or we just do like this. Let's search for T70. Sorry, text string. Okay, here it is. Searching this one too. Okay, we have it here. So now we have something. Yes, we can do like this. But this is not the beginning of the Bios region, so we need to go here, and we have to select and go up until we reach the 1 million offset, the beginning of the Bios region. So there are tools that can show you where the BIOS region starts and where it ends. Usually the end of the BIOS region is the dump is the end of the BIOS. So you just need to locate where the region starts. So let's keep scrolling like this up until we reach 1 million and we stop. So you have to pay attention number there, the left, the offsets. So where offset. Let's go quickly by using keys on the board. Oh, it's near, so let's go slowly now. Yes. We go back. Now go slowly until we reach the beginning, like this. So we have selected from, let's show you in this file, we have selected from here up. Why? To see what length we should choose here in this file to reach the beginning of the BIOS region, because we can't use the 1 million offset in this file. For this file, we go to 1 million offset, so it's something different, because these files are not don't have the same size, and they are not this one in fact is not all BIOS full BIOS image. So now you just pay attention to this length which we have here, the bottom here, this one, 4C230, 4C230, 4C230. So we do the same here. We again search for T70, okay, and we come here, we click, use the keyboard keys, and let's scroll until we reach here in the length, until we reach what, 3, 4, let's check again, 4C230, 4C230, 4 C, let's go back, two three zero. This is it. So 4C230. So we have done the same thing with the file extracted from the executable file. So now we are in this file, we have reached the beginning, this one, we have reached the beginning of the BIOS region. So the BIOS region starts from here. So I showed it to you by using this method, because if you're not experienced, for example, personally I won't do this. In fact, I would just scroll down like this. You lines, and you are in the beginning of the Bios region. But who knows, if ever you go to file, different file from this one, a big one, and you, for example, if you have to search in this one, let me show you this one. This one is a big file, 189, so it's 189 megabyte, and it contains all, as I have said before, it contains all these versions. So sometimes we may get only that file. It happens to me that I got only one big file which contains all the versions which we may find in different ports. So in that case, you will need the same procedure as I did in this video. So now we know where the Bios region starts. It starts here. Sorry, starts here. Same thing here. It's same thing, but here it may be as it's the biggest file. It may be one of these other versions, T88, T87, or I don't know. So I don't know which order, in which order they are in this file. So anyway, let's close this one. This is a big one. We don't need it. So we are in the beginning of this is the beginning of the Bios region. Let's mark it. Go back here, and so here, as we are in the beginning of the Bios region in the dump, let's click on here, the beginning, go down to the end, hold, press Shift key and hold it, select the whole Bios region, and the length, in fact, is 1 million. So it starts at offset 1 million, and the length in hex it's 1 million. So you see here 1 million. So we have to go to the other file here, and we just click here, the right click, and select block of 1 million, of course. So 1 million. Okay, that's it. Let's copy. Let's paste there, and let's save as save as use update. Oh, sorry, forgot caps. So use region update. Dot save it. So we have it in our folder. There. Use region. Update this one. So now we just open the, which is already opened, the Bios region. We have it there. Let's close this one. We don't need it anymore, the one from which we have extracted the Bios region right now. Let's close it. Now we have the Bios region. It's with the Control A, copy the whole thing, and go to our dump again. Go to same offset where the Bios region starts, and pass the right. Yes, and save as it's, Bios image updated. We have it there. So we and with the exact size as the original dump. Let's check with this tool first to check if we got the right partitions. Yes. Let's check with me analyzer. Okay, and the file in fact has errors concerning me region. So this file need to be cleaned. We have something wrong with this file. So this last warning is about the version of my analyzer I am using. It's not the last one. So we can ignore. For these other messages there need to be checked and see what's wrong with this dump. So anyway, now we have the dump with the BIOS region updated. What is left is to do a clean me, and this one is has this version of me region 15.0.0.1219. It's a corporate LBE and it's initialized that it has been used in the board. In fact, grow as it's a dump. So we came to the end of this video, and concerning the clean me, we may do that if the requester needs that. For now I have to stop the video here, and I hope it's clear, and if any question you can as usual ask me in RS Discord server. That's it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.